Well. Oh shit, I'm getting it. I can't do it. What the fuck? I'm running blind. You got like 6 guys ahead of you. Yep, I got that guy on the right. We're here. I feel like this is the perfect time to push. Let's go. Quick. We're in there. One life. Oh. Yeah. Oh, our teammate just got dropped. They're looking right at us, so be careful. Matthew, we're being fired at. Yeah, you're good.
I'm finna blow shit. Ain't that right? Yeah. Ain't that right? Yeah.
Is that underscore?
Say something, soldier.
Are you vlogging?